chicken neck fenugreek leaf bowl, or chicken neck fenugreek leaf stew, or chicken leg fenugreek leaf soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most delicious of the fenugreek leaf recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chicken bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the soup recipes. Today we are going to make chicken neck fenugreek leaf bowl. We've taken around 250 grams of fresh chicken neck, cleaned and cut into pieces. The next ingredients are around 15 grams of chili flakes, 1 onion cut into pieces, 20 grams of fenugreek leaves, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger garlic paste. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the onion pieces. Salt, powder, keep on sauteing. Gradually saute mix. Now put in the ginger garlic paste, salt, powder, now put in the tomato pieces. Salt, on saute. Now put in the chicken neck. Into the mixture. Saute mix. Now put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Keep on mixing. Put in 2 spoons of mixture of spices. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Put in the fenugreek leaves. Mix in the fenugreek leaves. Thoroughly mix. Now put in the chili flakes. Mix. Now pour in 250 ml of water into the mixture. Now mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 20 minutes. Now the chicken neck fenugreek leaf stew or chicken neck fenugreek leaf bowl is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final chicken neck fenugreek leaf bowl or chicken neck fenugreek leaf stew or chicken neck fenugreek leaf soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fenugreek leaf recipes and one of the most different of the chicken bowl recipes and one of the most nutritious of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the soup recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.